Good morning or afternoon, depending on which time you're watching this video. Harley here with a new fan that we have. This one's going to be a Westinghouse. Yeah, we don't have a whole lot of Westinghouses. We do have some in various degrees of restoration here and there, but this is going to be the only one that we have actually finished. It's a little dusty because it hasn't been waxed yet and polished yet, but it has been mechanically restored. And as you can see, it's in excellent condition. I don't know what year this is from, but I assume sometime in the 60s. If anybody knows for sure, let me know. It's got that same blade set that you see on their oscillating fans, only the oscillating fans have a cap in the middle, and this one does not. So I'll show you the back of it. And here's the specs on it. It's a model AF05, 120 volts, 60 cycles, 1.0 amps. So it is definitely 60s or prior because it says cycles. But it has been cleaned up thoroughly. The rear grille has been polished, the front grille has been polished, the cord has been vinyl-X'd. The only thing I have left to do is to Novus the exterior of it, because there's a little scuff here. Looks like maybe a little piece of this plastic surround may have scraped against something that left a transfer mark. But anyhow, here's high. As you can tell, it blows a lot of air. Go to low. And strangely enough, on low, the sound level goes way down, but the airflow is still there. Obviously not quite as much as on high, but it's still not much less airflow than on high. Go back to high again. Check the spin down. Not too bad. Start it from the rear. It doesn't have any kind of startup sound. The motor was cleaned out, degreased, and oiled. So let's try high from the back. Strangely enough, this motor actually is fan cooled itself. It's hard to see in there, but there's a little fan in the front and in the back, right there. I know some motors are like that, but it's kind of strange to find one older like this. Yeah, it's got the high, low, off. High, off, low. And that's kind of convenient because you can start off on either speed. Even though me personally, and this is just a Harley thing, I always start every fan on the highest speed, and then once it begins to run, I bump it down. It's just, I don't know, always been a pet peeve of mine. It seems like the motor starts, I mean, it may not even be true, but in my mind it seems as if it's less stress on the motor to start it on high, get it going, and then switch it to low. Let's try a low speed startup sound. So quiet. I mean, I'm speaking in a normal voice from 2 feet away, and the fan is, you know, 15 centimeters away. So yeah, again, model AF05. Can't find anything research-wise in this, so if anybody has any idea of when it was made, let me know. I'm sure we'll get the usual 1981, 1956, 1972, 1965, but still, it's worth a shot, right? Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. OFF spells off. And be sure to check out our new Patreon page, because we're going to be bringing you videos like this, and we hope to be bringing more quality, more content, better cameras, all kinds of stuff in the future of this channel. But we need your help on Patreon to accomplish that. Anyhow, make sure you're subscribed. Enable those notifications so that you'll be notified when we produce new content. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.